you. Zulu? Zulu. Sorry, babe. Zulu? Oh! You like that doggy now, huh? Jeez. Here she goes. She's gonna try to get the dog food and or water. Hey, hey! You know where you're going. Whee! Pull you back here. What you doing? What you doing? Where do you think you're going? Here she goes again. She really wants that dog water. Oh, good. You found the wipes instead. I approve. Yep, here she goes. She thinks she's one of the dogs. The dogs are eating, so it must be your turn, huh? What do you think you're doing? Where do you think you're going? You like that? Hi. Let's see if she goes again. Oh gosh. Take a little rest. Here she goes. She's gonna get you, Gunner. Gianna, what are you doing? Trying to get that water. Come here. Whee! Watch out, Zulu. Whee! Yeah. Got you. Hey, princess. Is that Mama's boot? Is that Mama's boot? Oh yeah, eat it. That's perfect. Yeah. Hey, you're upside down. Careful with that. Okay. You want my boots now? Why are you trying to eat it, you weirdo? Oh, she sees the dog eating. So now she's gonna go get the food again. Every time the dogs go and eat, Gianna's gotta go eat too. Where are you going? Hi.